Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDT from Coinbase to MetaMask in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT, that's Tether, the stablecoin, from Coinbase to your MetaMask wallet, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for any platform updates since crypto evolves fast. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and MetaMask. If you don't have MetaMask yet, download it from the official website and create a wallet. It's your gateway to the Ethereum blockchain, where USDT lives. Step 1. Open your MetaMask app or extension and ensure it's connected to the Ethereum mainnet. In 2025, MetaMask might have some new security features, so look for any prompts to verify your wallet. Copy your wallet address. That's the long string of letters and numbers starting with 0x, because you'll need it for the transfer. Next, log into your Coinbase account. Head over to your dashboard and find your USDT balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal or send option. Now, paste the MetaMask wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible. Before you confirm, take a moment to review the transaction details. You'll see a network fee, which might be a bit higher in 2025 due to increased blockchain activity, so choose a gas fee that balances speed and cost. Once you're ready, hit send and wait for the confirmation email from Coinbase. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your MetaMask wallet. It could take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the USDT to show up, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you're good to go. Use it for trading, staking, or whatever your crypto plans are. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to stay secure in this ever-changing crypto world. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more guides. See you next time.